Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Andrew and McClare here.
Okay.
Alright.
He bought a bunch of Hot Wheels,
So,
we're gonna open them.
Yeah, a little bit.
This is not very hype at all.
We got a little
I
bit.
wasn't allowed to see them.
Yeah, she doesn't know what's in them. So this is what we currently have. We have our thing right there with all of them. So this is what we currently own. Alright.
So we have a buttload.
Alright.
Oh, that actually works.
You have the poles there. That pole's annoying. Alright, cool. Alright, so yeah, this is what we already have currently. So, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
She has no idea what's in this
First
box.
one. Good.
I'm just gonna pull a random
I
one.
have the trash can right over here.
You have
Yeah, I have all the cards
what we already have. Fast Furious.
with the rubber band that we hold them all
So-
together.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
God, I'm nervous. I know what's in here because my brother and I picked them out.
But he doesn't know which
I don't know which one's coming out first. So you ready?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna start off nice. First one's the Shredder. All right.
That looks really nice. Here, I'll put the card over in the pile.
There we go. And what the code's on the back, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, cool. All right. So this right here is the Shredder.
I didn't get to unbox it.
I want to unbox the first one. I missed.
All right.
First appearances, I actually like it.
Yeah, it looks sick.
It's like a dirt bike.
That's
Kinda-
exactly what it is.
We're just gonna set it here. By the dune buggy. So I already see which one. I know what's in this bag.
Okay.
I know I'm gonna pull them randomly, but I already see what's next. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna let you unbox this one.
I don't know.
Show the camera.
It's a plane.
It's an airplane.
It's a bird. It's a plane. Nope. It's a bird. It's a bird.
plane.
She was right.
Son of-
Thomas
So-
Sanders.
This is
What is that? Oh,
just pieces of the box. So let me see it.
are you sure?
Yeah.
That's,
So this is one
That's an actual like Hot Wheels brand plane.
I got it as a joke. I saw it and I was like, dude, that's funny.
It's technically still a vehicle.
I wasn't gonna get this, but
It was funny. It does look cool though.
I like it. Yeah, no, I genuinely like this one.
Like it looks like a fighter jet somewhat, but Hot Wheels brand. I think we should put it like right here
You know, I'll put it right there.
as like a
We'll
centerpiece,
put it right there.
as the joke centerpiece.
Look how it looks on the camera. See that? It looks like it's.
It just looks like this car has the little
right.
propellers.
Now I'm just gonna start pulling random because these are all
Okay.
kind of.
Oh,
All right.
show the camera. Boy.
All right. Here, I'll actually let you unbox it.
So this is it's a Ford Maverick from the Muscle Mania.
Like I said, I don't remember all the cars that are in this pack. I don't remember everything we got. Can you do it?
Yeah. You just have to find the right spot. That does look really nice.
Let's show the camera before you put it down. Actually, I really like that one.
With the number
got the wide body kit.
94 on the front.
Got the wide body kit, the tires. I kind of. We'll set that one right there. I kind of like
These
that
are
one.
like the racing cars.
You know what
right
we could
over
do?
here.
And then I also have space right here. I can put cars right in here.
I don't.
Let's get some just confused up. So
It's just barely in the camera shot. There we go.
it's fine. Are you ready? Next box. All right, a 1996 Porsche.
That is from the...
Nightburners. Wow. I've never had a box do that. Look how clean that came off. Wow. I kind of like that one. It's nice.
I really like the wheels, and it has a good weight to it.
All right. We have tons more cars to go through. Put it right here.
Okay.
I love how we got the semis in the back.
Because we organized it.
We try to be professional. We're not very good at this. Can you not? Put that stuff. All right, next. I already know what car is coming out. 2015 Ford Mustang.
That's a good car.
Yeah.
From the then and now.
I honestly,
I really like that one. It looks really nice.
the stack. What do you think? I think it looks
I
alright.
like it. It has blue on the edge of the rims. It's got a nice tint to it. It has the number 8 right up here.
I think it's a pretty nice car.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, the 2015 Ford Mustang was a nice car.
I love how we're not really organized. We're just kind of everything's everywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, we have.
Next car. We don't have much time.
Well, we're fine. Time's not an issue. Time's never an issue. And we got these. You got the motorcycle, the dune buggy, the plane, the shark car. I like the shark car. A lot of these cars.
I used to have a shark car.
The
where
cars that we're
jaw
not
would go up
unboxing
and
today
down.
is cars like these ones I bought. All 5 of these I bought at once.
So
A couple of these I bought, but like a good majority.
We've got the bottle rocket.
Well, like we have a whole bunch of different cars, and my personal favorite is not the Batmobile. Out of the ones I already had, honestly, it's probably the Indy car.
Out of the ones that we have just unboxed,
Yeah, I know the motorcycle.
Shredder would have to be my favorite.
That's not surprising.
Because we're both into motorcycles, but I'm super into motorcycles. Like, more than him.
I don't know what's coming out.
I've also been used, like...
Okay, you ready? Oh!
It's a helicopter.
The helicopter.
I'm a helicopter.
I found the helicopter and the plane back to back in the store. Let me put that over there.
I'm making sure we haven't thrown away any of the backings.
Yeah, that wouldn't be good.
It really wouldn't.
Look how big that
I
blade
would have
is.
to get in the trash. That
That's pretty cool.
looks beautiful.
It's actually really nice. I love how the top blade moves.
And with the plane,
It doesn't move very well. It does, but
it still moves.
I mean like that.
Yeah. So we could put that like right there.
And put it right there. Oh, all right. The Speed Blur. Okay. This is the Track Ripper. I like it.
Beautiful. I really like the coloration.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It looks like kind of like zebra stripes.
Mm-hmm. With green or teal. With purple rims.
Would that be thrown away? That one's not bad,
It's
actually.
got the purple, hot pink rims, zebra stripes with the neon cyan.
It's not bad.
It's not bad at all.
That's actually
Next product.
That's probably one of my new favorites.
Next product.
Next product. All right, Chief.
I want to open this one.
Oh, hold on. So there's a backstory. Okay. So I haven't pulled it out yet. So when we were buying these cars, we found a Lamborghini. There's a Lamborghini in here. Okay. So when we started finding Lamborghinis, Liam and I were like, well, dang, let's find some sports cars.
And this is the
So this right here
Porsche?
is the Porsche Panorama.
what model?
The
Huh?
Panorama.
What model?
The Panorama.
Oh. What year?
It doesn't say. It
Okay,
says the
oh.
Porsche Panorama Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo.
Seems pretty legit. Sounds nice. Like it sounds like a really nice sports car. Because usually these are based off of real.
So I
vehicles.
really like that one. It's kind of like an SUV type vehicle. Let's put that on our stack, Chief.
Yes, sir, Master Chief.
All right. This was actually one of the last cars we picked out. 2016 Cadillac.
Those look good.
It says it's new for 2018.
Bro, it's 2019.
But it's new for 2018. Alright, put that over there. Feel that one.
Ooh, this one's got some weight.
Yeah.
It's got the number 1 on the side.
It kind of reminds me of like a Forza car.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It's got the Hot Wheels right above the... Yeah, that's got some weight.
It's got some weight to it. It's a nice little...
Some of the better Hot Wheels have really nice weight. And, like this one,
You can tell it's Cadillac by the front.
after a while, the wheels will start to squeak if they're...
Yeah, Liam has some that are already squeaking.
Yeah, but the heavier ones like this one, the wheels won't squeak as easily.
Eventually, we're gonna get to the point where at the end of the video, I'm gonna do an overview of all the cars we've had that we now have. Because y'all saw what we already had, and then what we're gonna have at the end. So let's see what's
Expanding the collection. Get snatched.
next. 2005 Ford Mustang.
I still want to snatch it.
Because you tried to snatch it, you don't get to open it. I was totally gonna let you open that one. Not gonna lie, I really like this car.
This one's also got some weight to it.
Got a little weight, not bad.
2C
It's a nice little car.
HWCRFX Hot Wheels.
I mean, it's a good little car.
Yeah.
Let's put it right here by the Porsche.
There's a gap.
I know there's a gap. Nah, I was gonna say we could put the motorcycle there, but the motorcycle fits there.
Yeah, the motorcycle just fits right in between the dune buggy and the,
All right,
what is it?
95 Mazda RX-7. I'm trying.
That one looks like it has some weight to it too. Yeah, it does have a little bit of weight. It's got some, looks like Japanese text.
Yeah, I wasn't sure which one it was. Well, it is a Mazda.
Yeah, that's a Japanese type car.
Nuh-uh.
Put that one right
No.
there. Oh, yeah. No, because that's out of the camera shot.
We're not gonna be able to fit all these cars in the camera shot. Sorry guys, but it's not gonna happen.
I mean, you could start piling some up front. Or at least try.
Alright,
So that's the Lamborghini.
so no.
I can.
No,
Oh,
it's
wait.
it's not the Lamborghini.
Ooh.
I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this car
Let me see.
because I know I'm not gonna say it right. Pangai or Pat? Dad,
Pangai
Dad, are you
Hero.
smart? Are you smart? Hold on.
Speed graphics.
How do you pronounce that?
Bloopers.
Yeah, this whole thing's just gonna go in the video.
This is uncut. All right, Andrew.
I don't know how to say it. I know it's a hypercar. Pangy or Panjai or Donnie, maybe? I don't know. That's a nice little car.
It really is.
Did you just eat a brownie?
Yep. Nope, just part of one.
Here's the car, Chief. Dude.
That one got some weight. That looks beautiful.
I like the look of that car. As you can tell, we're not intelligent. Next. 2016 Mercedes AGM GT3.
Okay. That one looks nice.
That
one looks really
that's
nice.
one of those that whatever. There you go. Oh, some of the paint came off.
Oh, what?
Oh well.
So much paint came off?
That's no telling how long these cars have been there.
I think for some of them we should be like blindfolded.
Yeah, I'm blind. Maybe that'll be a video in the future. There are a lot of
We
cars
should
here.
do a Death Cup challenge as well. I'd be down. I'd be down to do Death Cup.
Comment down below if you want to see us do a Death Cup challenge.
Or watch me like drink a raw egg. Maybe.
Oh, that'll
I don't
definitely be in
know.
your Death Cup. That'll be in the hat. That'll be in the hat as a sign for a Death Cup. Oh, boys, okay. Oh, I already see what car we're pulling out next.
Lambo.
So this right here is a Lamborghini Aventador.
Oh! You gotta put it in front of the camera. That looks sick.
No, you cannot open up my Lamborghini.
No, I'm helping. I'm helping. We open together. No. That's going in a different stack. That's going on the top.
No, that goes in there. That would be your Lamborghini Aventador.
Imagine
Hold it
actually,
flat. Hold it flat. Look at the indent that it goes in.
Imagine actually like buying one of these in real life.
They're not that expensive.
No, and having it customized to look exactly like
Oh,
this.
that'll be expensive. The Aventador really isn't that expensive of a car. It's just the insurance for a Lamborghini. The insurance for a Lamborghini is super high.
You can like tell some of the details.
So I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but that car just still does not go here. Put that there.
The detailing, it's not bad, but at the same time, it's not great.
So right here, in my hand. What's your favorite car of Forza Horizon 3?
The Huracan?
Really?
Well, I don't know. Oh, Is that the Warthog?
No, God, I wish I found a Warthog.
What is it?
The Lamborghini Centenario. A 2016 Lamborghini Centenario. You can open this one.
Yeah.
And it goes right here. Actually, who am I saying? I get to hold that baby before it goes down. Now, guys, this is new in 2019. So this is this year's model.
That's what it looks like. That is gorgeous.
It's a pretty car. It's a very pretty car. Let me see it.
It doesn't have much weight to it though.
No, but it's one of these metal tires, and I gotta say, I really, really, really like that car.
No, it doesn't fit.
Yes, it does.
No,
We don't put any cars sideways. I don't like that. It fits like that, or it fits like that. Okay. And now I don't know what else is coming out of this bag, so
Scramble it. Ooh.
oh,
Ooh.
Porsche Panamera, police style.
Oh, that's the HW Rescue. The Hot Wheels Rescue.
It's part of the rescue pack.
You failed.
Your arm deflected it. So, first thoughts. I like the blue on the wheels. Honestly, I think that's a good car. It's a
I love
very
the
nice
red. I love the like crimson red with the blue.
car. It really fits.
'Cause, yeah.
That is a beautiful, beautiful car. We're gonna set her right here, right by the Aventador.
I got my eyes closed. You better not smack me with it.
I wasn't gonna let you see it. I was gonna show the camera first. But since you already looked, this is a 2007 Ford Mustang. I was gonna open it up and have you feel it and figure out if you knew what it was.
So it is a picture of a knight on the top from a chess piece. The chess piece of a knight.
The car's literal name is Knight. Although, of course, it's backwards for your screen, but that says Knight. But since it's on camera, it's gonna be reversed, obviously. First thoughts, not that bad of a car.
I kind of feel like taking your machete and tossing one up, like tossing a box, like the plastic piece up, and trying to split it in half.
It won't work, the machete's crap.
You can sharpen it, you do realize that. You got a ton.
We got a lot. Next, 2016 Cadillac. I'm pretty sure we already opened one like this. Didn't we already open up? Wasn't this a 2016 Cadillac?
I do. Oh, hold on.
Check the back. Oh wait, no, you can just check upside down.
Yeah, 2016 Cadillac.
Is it ATS VR?
Yeah. You got two of the same car, just
We have two of
different
the same
colors.
cars. Okay.
Pick your favorite one, and I'll take the other.
Wait, check. Check for a number 2 HW Raceway. Check for that car in there. So it's from
Oh,
here.
these are all the new ones.
Yeah. Right here. No, it's from a different pack. It's completely different. Cool.
Well, this one's from the Raceway.
Raceway. No, it's not.
It's from maybe a different series of the Raceway.
Legends of Speed. This
Oh.
one's from Legends of Speed. Put it back where it was. So same car, but different pack.
And different colors.
I'm horrible at this.
Clearly.
So let's check out the differences of the two. So this one here, this is the white one. This is the one we just unboxed? Yeah.
Yeah, we just
Okay,
unboxed.
so this is the black one we already unboxed. It's got the Hot Wheels logo above it. That one does not. One's black, one's white. This one has, honestly, I kind of like the black one more than I like the white one.
I'm gonna keep this face down and look up. So, random unboxing. We should do one of these every video.
What?
Where I pick something random. So, hold on, where's the camera?
Oh my gosh.
I'm not gonna open my eyes. I want to unbox that one.
Guys, she pulled the car. Lamborghini Countach police car.
Police edition from the Hot Wheels Rescue Pack.
I hate this little bar. I'm trying to get this bar out. There we go.
Okay.
My setup's kind of weird, but we're making it work with what we got. I thought you threw away the thing.
No. Why would I do that?
Man, I wouldn't know.
Oh, you can see like the windshield wipers too.
That's cool. I thought that was a crack. That's cool.
The detail. You want me to do another random draw?
No. Lamborghini Countach. That's great. Because I've been doing random draws this whole time.
I like one over there. Look up. McLaren?
McLaren 720S. I love this car.
Why were you just smiling at me?
I love this car.
Yeah, he finally made it.
I've always liked the look of McLarens.
It's purple too. I like the look of like purple and black cars.
Honestly, I like the look of the McLaren more than the Centenario. In all honesty. All right, we're running low on cars here.
I know. Ooh. Ooh.
2016 Ford GT Race.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Put it in the pile, Chief. I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna make one of these last two before the
You
video's
already
over.
made one.
Oh, I made one?
Yeah.
Okay, then my life's complete.
No, but it was like you reached over
Ford
me and just
GT.
dropped it in there.
What do you think about the Ford GT? EcoBoost?
It's okay.
They circled the problem. Oh.
So they circled Ford.
Yeah. No hate to Ford, but I'm not gonna get into
They
that.
just need to work
I'm not even gonna get into that right now. No.
because we have a Ford.
Look at our layout here. This is crazy.
We have a Ford Edge, and it's not doing too good. Not doing too good.
I told you I had some crazy ones in here. Somehow, by chance, I saved the best for last. Now this isn't the last one. There's one more after this. Hit that like button.
Oh man.
Hit that like button.
I was trying
Animal
to
Claire's about to be real surprised though. Okay. So this one right here is a Chrysler Pacifica. It's from the HW race team.
And it's new for 2019. Whoa.
It's got the extra wheels on the back. See-through clear windows. I really like that one actually. It's got the look at the front of the car. It's got the battering ram on the front.
If you look inside, you can actually tell the tires with the detail.
I actually
It
go
goes all-
inside. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's it really
and there's
is a
a
cool car.
mini like RC car in there as well.
Yeah, no, it's they put
That
a car
is
inside the car.
adorable.
That's a lot of detail into a Hot Wheels car. They put a lot.
They
of detail.
even put detail into the wheel, cause like with a lot of these, they didn't put detail into the wheels,
No, they just kind of popped on with some wheels.
like the steering wheel.
Yeah, they just kind of popped on the wheel.
They even this car
Sorry,
doesn't
guys, I'm
even
dying.
have the like gear shift. This one does.
No, yeah, this one they put a lot. They clearly put a lot of effort into designing this car. I mean, this is a really
Not
really,
the tiny little car inside of it, because that'd be way too much work and it'd cost a lot.
No, but like they actually put a steering wheel. They put some design into that car too.
Not too much though. Bless you. God blast you.
What? Okay. So, before we go any further, and unbox our final car, smash that like button, if you're new, subscribe. She's about to be completely amazed. All
I
right.
shall turn the other way.
So, Emily, what's your favorite game?
GTA.
Well, that didn't work.
Or
That's something else.
Minecraft.
All right. So, here we found. You guys, who it is? The minecart. Alright.
That's awesome.
Props to Liam for finding this.
You can actually put like a figure in there.
No, you can't. There's something in it.
Oh.
So let's unbox this. This is from the HW Screen Time. I would say I'm surprised they made a Minecraft Hot Wheels, but I'm really not.
Well, it's because Minecraft is a very popular game, so is Roblox and a ton of others.
So they actually have a piece inside that actually does bend.
They do. Oh!
What does that look like to you? Dude, fill the car.
Holy cow!
They put
They put a ton of detail.
every single.
You could put like
Let me see if I can-
like
let
a
me
toy
see if I can show the
skeleton like they have in the picture. You could put that in there.
So I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh, dude, it looks so cool on camera. It looks like they go in. It looks like they're actual holes. So every single one of these different colors, and even some of the not different colors, that's every single pixel. They made it look like an actual like Minecraft looking thing. So there's a block for each. That is so cool. So yeah. Oh, it's out of screen. Yeah, guys, that'll we'll put it right there. So that'll do it for the video. This is now
Look
our,
how thick this is.
good lord. This is now our collection.
We're gonna need another rubber band.
What's your favorite car that we've unboxed today?
Either the Shredder or, to be honest,
The minecart. Okay, yeah. I kind of. That's why I said. What's your favorite? What was your favorite car before we unboxed?
It would have had to been either the Batman car. Hold on.
The Batmobile or the bottle cap?
Mm-hmm.
I think
The
my
bottle
favorite
rocket.
before we started unboxing stuff was this car right here, the Audi R8. Now, I don't know. There are a lot of cars that I really like. You know, if we were smart behind it. I don't like the look of that.
We put all the funny cars right here.
So, all in all, pretty successful. Pretty good unboxing video. This is probably one of the longest
Looks
videos
beautiful,
I
though.
am going to ever post.
Like 30 minutes, 35 minutes.
So smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. Let me know if you want me to do this weekly. I won't do as many cars. I'll do 5 new cars.
And we'll do some challenges.
And we'll do some challenges. We got some challenges planned.
We gotta do a death cup.
I'm down.
Our parents will watch
Parents are
a
out there
video.
watching
in the
videos,
video.
so.
A video in the video.
Wow. Yeah. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Anything you want to say?
Comment, share, like, post it on Facebook.
Peace.